Alright, today I'm gonna be making this new design using Kittl. So Kittl is a great platform for anybody that do not have Photoshop or Illustrator, or you're not that good with Photoshop or Illustrator. Kittl is an online platform that you can. It's easy to use. You can just go in there and it's got all pre-made, preset elements that you can just grab and just do like a couple of placement and make some adjustment, and then you can come up with a great design. I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up so you can see what the final outcome will be. All right, here we go. So once I'm done with the design in Kittl, I'm just gonna bring it over to Design Space. Design Space is the application that comes with the Cricut cutting machine. All right, so as you can see here, I'm just moving all the elements around, putting them on their own specific mats, and I'm using that to cut the vinyls, and I'm cutting each elements separately on its own separate layer, and this is the process that I'm going through right now. Alright, so once I'm done cutting all the different elements, I'm gonna heat press those elements onto the shirt, and this is the process I'm working through right now, as you can see. Yeah, so this is it is kind of a tedious process, but it's also fun at the same time. So kind of have fun making this. I messed up a couple of times with this design, but I was able to go back and fix it. Here is what the final outcome for the design was.